everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make scallop sashimi. Sashimi is the simplest and easiest way to eat scallop. If you can get sashimi grade scallop, try this one. Let me show you how to make it, but before we carry on, please hit the subscribe button below before you forget. Let's get started. These are what you need. Scallops, I have 2 today. And to serve with, I have some daikon radish and shiso Japanese basil. I'm going to prepare daikon radish first. It's peeled already. And I have salad spinner and vegetable slicer. And I'm going to make very thin strips of daikon radish. Very thin strips like this. And I'm going to release this in cold water, drain and dry well. It's like a daikon noodles. And scallops. This black side is the top side and this white side is the bottom side. And I want to remove the scallop off from the top side first. Prepare something like this, spatula or knife. This bottom shell or white shell facing up. Like this, put spatula between the shell. I'm going to remove the scallop from this side, so the spatula is always touching the back side of this shell. Flip it over and remove the top shell. There is a bag of black thing inside, and I'm going to grab it and pull it off with these ribbons. Like this. So there is only scallop left in the shell. Using the spatula, let's scrape the scallop off from the shell. Like this. This is the part I removed from the shell. And this ribbon part, this is edible. So let's take it off from the other part. Like this. I have ribbons here, and this is very slimy. To remove the sliminess, using the back side of the knife, you scrape it. Slimy part is removed, but this is still slightly slimy, so let's put it in a small bowl. Put some salt and rub it to remove the sliminess completely. Rinse well and dry. So here I have rinsed scallop and rinsed ribbon. Let's dry them using paper towel. I also washed this shell because I want to use it to serve. I'm going to cut them in 2 different ways so that I can enjoy different texture. This one, I'm cutting it this way. Like this. And this one, I'm going to cut it this way. Like this. And the ribbons. It's a little bit too long, so let's cut it in half. Scallops are ready, so let's serve. Little bit of daikon noodle on a plate. And the shell. More daikon radish on the shell. Shiso Japanese basil. And scallop. And scallop sashimi is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!